The final pillar of marketing success is knowing thyself. And I like to consider this a little bit of like brand therapy, because it is asking yourself the question like, what's your purpose? Why are you here? And it's asking questions about your voice, your value system, what you stand for, your mission. All of those things are really important. And I think a lot of times the question is like, I don't necessarily need this, I know this intrinsically. But the question that I like to pose in response is, but do your customers fully understand who you are, what you stand for, and why they're buying from you? Because people buy from people based off of why they do things, not necessarily what it is that they do. It's really often equated like a brand is a logo and a website and these brand colors, and that's a part of it, right? But when people buy, they're buying into the entire brand, right? When you buy from an Apple or a Nike, you're not just buying it because of a logo that's on it. You're buying because what it stands for. And I think it's really important for you to understand what you stand for and not be loosey-goosey about it and just, I know it in my head, right? It needs to be written, it needs to be articulated, and it needs to be shared with your greater community.